Hey y'all, what y'all doing? What does? What does? Hello? Hello? Why does it look like I'm filming on a potato? Y'all, you see this shit? Oh, you can't even see. Jesus. What the fix? Is you gonna come say hi to me? Are you gonna approach me? I put my shit down. So I'm not scary? Hello. You gonna come say hi? Come say hi. Hello. Hi. What do? You want me to get small? I get small. Hi. You wanna come say hello? I would love to say hello. We haven't said hi in a long time. Oh, you're not gonna. I still love you though. You know that? Yeah. I love you, girl. I was gonna go inside, but if you're gonna come say hi, I'll wait. Should I stay or should I go? What are you doing? You wanna come say hi? Hi. I love you, girl. You smelling my vibes and shit? I got good vibes or bad vibes? You listening? You're a very good listener. Is it okay if I go inside? Because I don't think you're gonna come say hi. So I think I'm just gonna go inside, okay? Yeah. I'm just gonna go inside, okay? Hi. I'm a lot bigger than you thought, huh? Yeah. Hi. You don't have to be scared. You're okay. You're okay, Mama. You're fine. Don't be scared.